but there is a beach that half of it's got closed, yeah. And I remember me and Ruth were walking along and then we walked quite a long way and
now if I get Daddy the first time, it's going to be a miracle. If I actually get the right aeroplane the first time, it really will be a miracle.
We turned around.
Well, it could be, yeah. Keep watching, because he'll be on this side, won't he? Yeah, it probably is. It's going a bit wonky, isn't it?
It's like
it is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is it?
Yep, that's it, that's it. You're a miracle man. That's Daddy.
And down the way. Did you see him? Did you see him? Did you see him? The eagle has landed. There he goes, turning. Whoops.